Good afternoon, students. Let us move to the problems on Thevenins theorem. The last class I will explain Thevenins theorem, how to operate Thevenins theorem. There are so many steps. First, you remove the branch impedance and through the which current is required to be calculated. First step. Second step, calculate the voltage across open circuit voltage terminals by using any network simplifications techniques. This voltage is the Thevenins equivalent voltage VTH. Third step, calculate the equivalent Z equivalent viewed through the two terminals of the branch from which current to be calculated, removing the branch impedance and replacing all independent source by their internal impedance. Step number 4, draw the Thevenin's equivalent showing the voltage source, that is a VTH, that is open circuit voltage, with respect to the Z equivalent in series with across the terminals branch through which is current to be calculated. Because of you calculate current simple formula as per the Ohm's law I equal to V by R, but here the VTH is nothing but open circuit voltage VTH by ZL load impedance plus Z equivalent. This is the last class I will explain. Now today class problems on Thevenin's theorem. Obtain the Thevenin's equivalent network shown in the figure between the terminals X and Y. These terminals you calculate V naught. Step number 1. Remove the resistance 3 kilo ohm connected XY. This 3 kilo ohm will be removed. Step number 1. Next step number 2. Find the VTH. VTH is nothing but open circuit voltage. Already current is given directly. That is a 4 amperes. That is I2 current. This is I1 loop. This I2. Branch current I2. I2 is given. All directly is given. It equal to 4 milliamps. Now we calculate I1 using I2. Applying KVL to the loop, this one, this is minus 6 I1 minus I2, this is minus 6 kilo ohm I1 plus 6 kilo ohm I2 plus, minus plus to minus 3 kilo ohm I1 plus 12 equal to 0. What is I2? 4 milliamp. Just you substitute I2 value this. 9 kilo ohm, 9 means 6 plus 3, 9 kilo ohm plus side, 9 kilo ohm I1, 12 as it is, plus 6 kilo ohm into I2 value 4. Go to 36. 12 plus 4, 36. 36 by 9 is 4. I1 is 36 by 9 is 4 milliamps. Again I1, I2 is same. I1 is 4, I2 is 4 milliamps. Hence the drop across 3 kilo ohm. What is I1? 3 into R. That is I into R. The drop equal to V equal to I into R. What is I? 4. What is R? 3. 3 kilo ohm into 4 milliamps. This is 12 volts. 3 4s are 12. 10 plus 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to minus 3 cancel, remaining 3 into 4, 12 volts. Same thing, drop across 4 kilo ohm. This is I2. 4 kilo ohm into I2. What is I2 value? 4 kilo ohm into 4 milliamps. That is 16. 4 4s are 16 value. Hence, the path of XY, the shown in the figure, that is XY, with respect to the 4 kilo ohm, 3 kilo ohm. What is the voltage 4 kilo ohm? 16 volts. What is the 3 kilo ohm? 12 volts. 16 plus 12, that is 28. That is V Thevenin's open circuit voltage. Both are the series. Just you adding with all the voltage drop adding, that VXY equal 16 plus 12 is 28 volts. That is VXY. That is VTH. Next, you find out R equivalent short. To find the R equivalent, short the voltage source, open the current source. Short the voltage source, open the current source. Only the R value 6, 4, 3. Again 6 and 4 is parallel. That is answer is 2. 6 into 3 divided by 6 plus 3. 18 divided by 9 is 2 kilo ohm. Here 4 kilo ohm plus 2. These two are series. 6 kilo ohm. Okay, next the Thevenin's equivalent shown in the figure, that is a load current IL equal to VTH by R equivalent plus RL. What is R equivalent? 6 kilo ohm. What is RL? 3 kilo ohm. 28 divided by 6 kilo ohm, 3 kilo ohm. The answer is 3.11 milliamps. What is the open circuit voltage? V naught. 3.11 into 10 raised to 3 milliamps, 3 kilo ohm. Answer is 9.33 volts. Okay, next problem number 2. Find the Thevenin's equivalent network shown in the figure. It's also exam problem January 2014, 10 marks. But here across AB, that is Vx by 4. First is AB is already open. Step number 1, AB is open already. Given in the problem, AB is open. Find step number 2. Find the Thevenin's voltage VTH equal to VAB. VTH equal to VAB. That's open circuit voltage. What is I1 plus I2? This is upward, the plus to minus side, minus I1. Current is same direction, these two same direction, that is plus. Minus I1 plus I2 equal to 10, because of 10 is already given, 10 amps. Question number 1. From Vx by 4, I2 equal to Vx by 4. This is equation number 2. What is a Vx? Vx is nothing but 3I1. This one, Vx is nothing but 3I1. 3I1 by 4 minus 3I1. That is minus 3I1 by 4. 3 by 4 is minus 0.75 I1 plus I2 equal to 0. Because of I1, I2 equal to 0. I1L is minus 0.75. 3 by 4 is 0.75 I1, I2 equal to 0. Equation number 4. Solve the equation 1 and 4. We get I1 and I2 value. Using calculator to solve the equation 1 and 4, I1 is minus 40, I2 is minus 30. Now drop across the tracing AB through 5 ohm, 5 ohm, 3 ohm, 3 ohm, minus plus, again minus plus, same direction. 5I1, 5I2, sorry, I2 because of I2 side, this I2, these two I1. 5I2, 3I1, 3I1. What is I2 value? 30. 5 into minus 30, 150, minus 150. 3 into 40, minus 120, because minus 40. 3 into minus 40, 120. These three are adding because of series. This is 150, 150, 120, 120. The minus 390 with a negative. That is A positive value, because voltage is always positive. VTH is 390 volts with A positive. Next you find out Z equivalent. Using all the resistance value, you find out Z equivalent. What is Z equivalent? V by I. But here open circuit voltage by ISC. First you calculate ISC. ISC is nothing but, this is a third, because of shorted current here. I3 equal to ISC. VOC equal to VTH. Already find out. Just now find out 390. Now you find the ISC, short AB. ISC is nothing but I3. How to get I3 value? First loop, I1 plus minus I1, I2 equal to 10. One equation. Second, I2, I3. I2, I3 minus I2. Next, plus I3, Vx by 4. What is Vx value? Minus 31. Minus 31. That is minus 31. That is 3 by 4. 0.751. This side. Minus to plus. 0.751 minus I2 plus I3 equal to 0. Next, applying the outermost loop, that is plus to minus, minus 3I1, plus to minus, minus 5I2, again plus to minus, minus 3I1 equal to 0. 3 plus 3, 6, minus to minus plus one side, minus outside, 6I1 plus 5I2 equal to 0, equation number 1, sorry 4. To solve the equation 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. How to solve 1, 3, 4? Using calculator to solve the equation 1, 3, 4. We get I3 value. Even though I1, I2 also find out this equation. Only I required I3 value because short current equal to I3. That is 8.8636 amps. Next, easily find out Z equivalent. Z equivalent equal to VOC divided by SC. 390 divided by 8.8636. That is 44 ohm. Just to 44 ohm, substitute Z equivalent. VTH is 390. This is Thevenins equivalent shown in the figure. Z equivalent and VTH. Stop.